Chess. Chess game. Play classic games of chess at different levels of difficulty. Chess puzzle. Solve chess puzzles at different levels of difficulty by figuring out the key move. Analysis. Analyze famous games of chess move by move.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the Chess app. There are several modes available in this app. In the main menu, you can choose from 3 modes. Select whether you wish to play against a computer, another player, or against an online player. Click here in order to determine the length of thinking time. Choose whether you want to be black or white, or whether it should be randomly decided. Here you can set the level of difficulty. There are 3 levels to choose from. To begin a game of chess, click on the Start button. Click on a chess piece in order to see which squares it can move to. Then select the square you wish the piece to move to. Alternatively, you can also move chess pieces by dragging. In this panel, you can see the captured chess pieces and the moves made so far. In this mode, you have to solve chess puzzles. Here you can set the level of difficulty. There are 3 levels to choose from. The time available to solve all the puzzles is shown in the bottom right-hand corner. After you made a move, the correct solution will be displayed. If you wish, you can go through the steps of the correct solution. Click on the arrow in order to go to the next chess puzzle. The dots show how many puzzles you have completed so far. The green dots show the number of correct solutions. Click on the home icon in order to return to the main menu. You can also analyze famous games of chess move by move. Click here to remove each chess piece from the chessboard. In order to place chess pieces, simply drag and drop them onto the board. Click here to place chess pieces in the starting position. Click here in order to browse the list of famous games. With the help of the arrows, you can go to the previous or the next move. If you wish to go back to the start of the game, click here. Visit our website for further information about our apps.